How to ask a girl to prom. A prom is a big, fancy dress, dance party, thrown every year in most US and Canadian high schools. There are generally two proms. One for juniors and one for seniors. High school proms generally happen between April and June, or near the end of the semester. So, prom season could last from March until June. The tradition is that kids go to the prom in couples. Example, a boy will ask a girl to go to the prom with her, or the girl asks the boy. It's traditionally a date night. Depending on how traditional a prom is, there's lots of steps to follow: asking a date, picking out a dress, going to the date's house to pick her up, posing for pictures, riding in a limo or a luxurious car, crowning of prom kings and queens. It's important to many people for several reasons. First of all, for lots of kids, high school students get into their studies. They want some time off for 4 years. Most don't have much experience with the outside world, so high school is pretty much all they at least know well. So everything related to it seems extremely important. And the prom is the big event. Students, teachers, and parents talk about it all year, or even for several years. To some extent, this is to purposefully build it up into a big, exciting thing. It's communal advertising, so that everyone will have something to be excited about. Added to which, it's a party. Many people love parties. There are exceptions, of course. Some people, such as introverts, hate parties. But if you're an introvert, you learn at a young age that you have to fend for yourself. Particularly high school society tends to be geared for extroverts. Because proms loom so large in high school life, they tend to become what people talk about. They generate buzz. Guess who Danny asked to go to the prom with him? Did you hear about what happened at last year's prom? Who are you going to ask? Proms are also important to people because they are rites of passage. This rite of passage thing is very complicated because it's 50% sanctioned by adults, who often allow the prom to be a tad more sexualized than they're normally okay with, and 50% a tug of war between kids and adults. Proms are part of the American language. The prom is important to this generation because it was important to the last generation, who looked it up to their kids and younger siblings. And that last generation heard it talked up by the generation before them. It is self-sustaining, which is simply to say that it's a tradition, and traditions, to some extent, fuel themselves. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.